Welcome to the Enkahnz YouTube channel and thank you for joining me on this vlog. As you can see, I have a brand new Range Rover L460 that's been fully transformed. Before I tell you what I've done on this car, how do I get down? And how did I get up here? Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, never mind. Well, on today's vlog, we've got a brand new Range Rover L460 right behind me. And this was a basic Range Rover when it came to us at Enkahnz HQ. We've done a massive transformation on it, and I'm going to go around and show you what we've done on this car. And if you do own one of these cars or any other SUV or any general car, we can customize it at Enkahnz HQ. We have a huge stock of body kits, alloy wheels, car accessories, interior parts. You can check our shop out on www.enkahnz.co.uk. This car has been fully blacked out. Some say murdered out. Now kids, that's the terminology you use in the car industry when a car is fully blacked out. Meaning all the alloys are black, the car's black, all the trims are black. And this interior is also black. And also in the interior, we've done a spectacular Star Galaxy roof lights, just like the Rolls Royces, which we'll go into very soon. Right, let's start with this car. So this was a basic Range Rover. Now you can imagine, quite boring. Some people like it the OEM style, some people like it customized, transformed, and want to look different. And that's exactly what we do at Enkahnz. Now, if you've not been on our channel before, we have various videos that you can go back and watch, and we customize and we specialize in customizing super SUVs like the Range Rovers, Rolls Royce Cullinans, Lamborghinis, Defenders, and the G-Wagons, and many, many more. And you should go back and watch some of our videos. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and press the notification, because we have some brilliant vlogs coming in the future. Right, coming on to this Range Rover. As you can see, it's got an exclusive number plate on, YD1. Now, we transformed this car for a customer over a year ago, and he bought it back to us because we've just launched our new wide track edition for this car, meaning we've got the wider arches for this body kit. Now, this is the Nebulla Bodykit by Barugzai. Now, it starts off with the front apron. Now, this is painted in gloss black. Nothing is taken off this car. Everything is added on. Now, we've got the front apron that's designed to make it look aggressive and also designed to fit onto the original bumper. The LED DRLs or fog lights, you want to call them, they are exposed. All the grills and sensors are exposed and not touched. Now, this has been glued on to the front bumper. And we've got our Barugzai front grille as well. The OEM one is replaced totally. Well, actually, that is something that we do replace, the front grille. The original one was taken off and it's been replaced by our front grille. We've got the Barugzai lettering on the bonnet. And moving around the side of the car, well, let's stick to the front. We've smoked out the headlights as well. As you can see, they've all been darkened out, smoked out to make it look more of a Batmobile. And coming down the side of the car, as you can see, we've got the extended arches, probably about 3 inches wide, probably 2.5, 3 inches wide, not too much. Now, if you watched our new Range Rover Sport Raptor body kit, now them arches are extremely wide. Now, the Range Rover Sport, we do tend to do them a little bit more wider because that is more of a sportier car. And it targets a different kind of clientele as well, especially the people that drive them kind of cars about. This is more of an executive car, so you can't make it look too wild and too wide. Well, some may prefer that, but on this one, we've gone a little bit more subtle, and we've started changing the design language a little bit on the Barugzai body kits. They've gone a little bit more subtle compared to our previous body kits that are quite wild. Now, I'm not sure if that's because of me getting older, or maybe we're just toning things down, or maybe that's the culture. Things are just going a little bit more subtle and not as loud as they used to be. Now it's got the wider arches starting from the front wing, as you can see, going all the way across. Then we've got our extended lower door molding. Now they're quite wide. Now previously we used to have this body kit without the arches, and then we did have the extended door moldings, but it did look like something was missing. So hence it needed these arches. Now they finish them off beautifully. But let me know in the comments what you guys think with the extended wide track arches on there. We've got the 24-inch Vortex alloy wheels, all in gloss black with the floating center cap. Now when that wheel spins, the center cap stays exactly where it is, similar to the Rolls-Royce center cap, and it looks quite stunning. It's a 50-spoke alloy wheel, and we have this in polish face gloss black, or totally gloss black like this, or we can paint it to a color of your choice. It fits nicely on the Range Rover Vogue. These wheels are also designed to fit the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and many other SUVs. You can contact us for further information. Now on the side, we've got the side door panel, or you call it the side vent, with the Barugzai emblem, and that shape that flows in the door molding actually flows with the front bumper as well. As you can see, we incorporate that into the front bumper so it continues with the design. As you can see, it's got plenty of room for when you open the door, not hitting anywhere, looking nice, simple, and obviously looks different, should I say, definitely. Also, people do ask, when you put the Barugzai Bodykit on, can you fit the side steps on? Well, of course you can. We've got the electronic side steps on this. As you can see, when you open the door, they open. When you close the door, well, they should close any second now, of course. But you can also have the fixed side steps on this model as well. We do have them in stock. We have the electric ones and the fixed side steps for this model Range Rover, and also for the Range Rover Sports, the older models and the new models. Right, okay, we left the handles gloss black. The car's been fully PPF'd in a matte finish, as you can see. Stunning finish, really nice, looks aggressive, and obviously all the trims painted in gloss black. And coming down to the back, we've got the Barugzai Nebulla rear apron. Now the next one, hopefully I'll be working on, will be having exposed exhaust, so stay tuned for that one, guys. Hopefully that's one more thing I'll be doing to this car, just to finish it off. I think, well, a couple of customers have asked me if they can have ones with exposed exhaust, but yes, we are going to. As you can see, there's a little slat in there, will fit the exhaust in nicely. They'll probably be similar shape to the bumper as well, not round, probably a bit more squarey, so we will be fitting them in our future Nebulla body kit. That'll be the next one. Right, so we've got the top rear spoiler with the exposed rear brake light, and we've got the mid-level spoiler that goes all the way across, a bit different to our Range Rover Sport one, which has the extra little corner spats that go on each quarter panel, but that flows nicely with that Range Rover Sport. We were going to design for this model, but I thought it didn't need it. Well, I think I made the right decision, but let me know, guys, in the comments below what you think. Anyway, like I said, I will take criticism, negative comments. Do help me progress, help me develop, help my team develop. We've got the Barugzai lettering, look at it in detail, it's like a carbon effect. And we've got the Barugzai emblem on the back, and all the trims have been painted gloss black as well. They're usually silver or a grey. I actually painted everything on this car gloss black. And yeah, coming around the side, again, exactly the same as the other side. Got the wider arches. We might put 25mm wheel spaces on the back just to make them sit a little bit more flush. So the car's all been PPF'd, protected, absolutely phenomenal. That's what my thoughts are anyway. The customer is here to do a second reveal of this car, and he's turned up with his family all the way from Devon. Now that is some drive to come all the way from Devon to Bradford, and we appreciate all our customers around UK and Europe that come all the way to Bradford and obviously bring their cars to us and get them customized. We genuinely appreciate, and obviously we do deliver and give a good service and a good product, and obviously a phenomenal result at the end as well. But that's what it's all about. Obviously people do come to us for a reason and travel all that way because we're very passionate about what we do. My whole team instills that passion, and they work hard, they love the job as well, just like me. And like I said, still till this day, I'm hands-on. I love working on cars like this. It's a nice finish, it's a nice result. When you customize the car and you look at the end result and you think, wow, I've done that with my team. And especially when you see it on the road as well, that's more rewarding. And yeah, so here's another fine example of our brand new Range Rover L460. That's all been transformed, and we're gonna go do a reveal now and show the customer the finished result. And let's see what he thinks of the wide track Range Rover Nebulla. How's it going, my man?
You right, bro?
Got buffed up, man. You been at the gym or something?
Yeah.
I wish I had the time to do that. How's it going?
Right, bro. Yeah, it's
Your
good.
car's looking phenomenal.
What do I do with this?
You just talk.
Alright, so.
We're just doing a brilliant video shoot on it.
Well,
did a little vlog as well and a photo shoot.
Hey, 3 days we've had to take out of work to come up here, man.
I actually said that in the vlog. I appreciate you come all the way from Devon.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of customers coming all the way from Europe, all other sides of Scotland, England, to get the cars transformed.
It's quite easy, really, Devon, isn't it?
It's not actually, it's a long drive. 6 hours?
No, it took us 8 hours the other day.
8 hours?
8 hours.
Did you stop on the way?
We've got to go back, yeah, we stopped.
Where do you spend a couple of nights then in Leeds?
Yeah, Leeds is quite nice actually.
Have you been to the Lake District?
Nah. How far?
That's where you went ahead. A couple of hours, 2 hours.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you're in Switzerland.
I think if I told her we're going anywhere else, she'd...
Leeds is alright, it's good for shopping and stuff like that anyway. Right, what we're doing to the Defender, because you said last time that when you bring the car back, you're going to transform it, so what we're doing?
Well, no, we were coming to have the bonnet and the side steps.
No,
and then we seen that.
No, we want it like that.
Need a serious deal.
His and hers.
Need a
I drive
serious
the other
deal.
one.
Oh, you drive the other one?
This is.
You drive this?
This is my work car, yeah.
Oh, then you definitely need that one then, don't you? You definitely need that body kit on. Ooh.
It's only 8, these are crap anyway, look. This ain't Barugzai standard, but this ain't you. This was already on there.
What's happened there? Who's done that? What's this company called then? What is it? There's something beginning with you?
Mate, no, basically.
We won't mention all the companies.
Yeah, but they're not even genuine ones, so
Right, okay.
they gotta go. We got, obviously I got Quicksilver exhaust, but don't sound as good as the one you got down there at the minute, which has annoyed me.
Right, so is this a diesel or petrol?
Diesel, but I paid about £3.5 for that. Is that one down there petrol?
You paid $3.5 for that, you wouldn't what I've quoted you for the whole body kit?
Something like that.
Something's not right, is it?
Well,
Something's not right.
yeah, but I'm done with spending money.
Yeah, I know. I know you spent a
I was
lot.
going to be selling it. I was going to sell one, but people want to pay peanuts, so I thought I'd just
You've
keep
dropped a
one.
lot, haven't they? Anyway, the Range Rover is all done. It's got the beautiful arches on it. Now the car's finished, like it should have been at the beginning. But we always said that we were going
We
to.
were making them when I.
We were making them. We knew that there was something missing.
Yeah.
So it's all complete now. You will genuinely appreciate it. Let's go do a deal on transforming the Defender, and let's go show you the customized transformed Range Rover. Let's go. Right, James, are you ready for number 2.0
Ready
reveal?
Number 2, mate. Yeah.
Right behind them shutters, we've got your wide edition Range Rover L460. Now this is a beast, mate. I'm telling you.
Yeah, that was nice, man. Fucking bad boy, bud.
What do you think? Bad boy? Is that what they say in Devon? Bad boy? I thought we were going to use that lingo in Bradford.
No. Use it.
I didn't know there were bad boys in Devon.
Yeah, there's a couple of them, mate.
Right.
I don't know them myself.
Look at that. Yes. Black on black.
Yeah.
We're all dripped out in black on black. You some black jeans on.
Yeah, I do. I normally have, to be fair.
That is
So,
nice.
you like that, Yaz?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Do you like it, baby?
Do you like it? I think he's still asleep, isn't he? He wants a burger. Right. Straighten the wheels out.
Oh, yeah.
Big 24-inch.
Yeah, mate, they're wide, those arches, because the wheels were stuck out too much before. That looks better now.
Yeah, nice. We've got Serious, we've got Bad Boy. What else have we got, Yaz?
Gangster.
Gangster.
Yeah. No,
Yaz, are you originally from Devon?
Yeah.
You're originally from Devon?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. I thought you'd be from
she looks
London
like
or
she should
something.
be from Bradford.
No.
No, I
London,
was born in Luton.
Luton close.
I've lived in Devon.
Not too far away. Is he originally from Devon?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Right, Aaron, what do you think, mate? Forget what James thinks, because you're going to be riding in the passenger seat, aren't you? Come on, best mate for 25 years.
Yeah.
What's he like? Is he a bit of a bad boy? Is he? He seems all right. He's having a good laugh or something, isn't he?
Yeah, me.
But he's not, mate. You'll be sitting on that passenger seat. Do you like driving the car as well? Can you drive?
Yeah, I drive fine. Like,
Does he let you drive the car though? That's the
not
question.
that one, like, with
Nice,
the
yeah.
Defender.
He lets you drive the Defender. Are you into customising cars?
No.
Yeah, no.
Like and simple, OEM original.
I like my dogs.
Dogs?
Yeah.
What dogs have you got?
Miniature pits.
Nah, well, I ain't seen one.
Or they look like chihuahuas? Do you breed them? Do you sell them?
No.
Oh, just for a hobby?
Just.
He's not into customizing cars, he's into customizing dogs.
Animal.
But he did say, James, he's been your best mate for 25 years and he said you've not let him drive his Range Rover.
I wouldn't let him drive that.
Oh,
Took
cool.
the Defender up here, that was bad enough.
Really?
Yeah, he was doing about 30 on the motorway.
Let me ask you a question. Have you had a curry while you've been in Bradford?
Not yet, no.
You've come all the way to Bradford, you've not had a curry?
No. I had a steak.
No, you got to have a curry before you go. Definitely. It's one of the iconic things in Bradford, apart from the beautiful scenery, brilliant people, nice culture, and food.
I'm under the weather, so I'd probably be a bit more into the food. If I
You've had a long drive, haven't you? Tired, I can imagine. Well, we'll leave you to it, Aaron. But anyway, well, not into cars, into dogs. I like dogs themselves, actually, but more of the security dogs, like the Dobermans, Rottweilers, German Shepherds, things like that. I ain't got one, though. I did used to have a few when I was a kid. I had a Japanese Akita. They were nice. Right, let's go back to Frank. Frank,
Oh no, bring me
have you
back
just
in
gate
here.
crashed? Where have you come from?
Come to look at the upgrade of
Hey?
Yeah.
You're not selling meat at all, are you?
He wants
I'm
this one
doing
now.
deals, mate.
Frank the Butcher. Anyway, right. Yaz, marks out of 10.
10.
10 out of 10. James,
I said 11 last time, so we go 12.
12, brilliant. What kind of feedback have you had in Devon? I know they've not seen the arches yet and stuff like that, they're fully
yeah,
complete, but what kind of feedback have you had
People
on the
don't know
car?
what it is, they think it's a Bentley, they don't know what it is back in Devon, mate.
How do they pronounce
They're
it?
used to eating carrots, aren't they?
So how do they pronounce that name on the bonnet then?
Barugzai.
Oh, they can pronounce
I
it
have to
properly.
tell 'em.
You can pronounce it, brilliant.
Yeah, I tell 'em.
Not many customers can pronounce Barugzai. Some say Barugzai, Barugzai,
Well, it's
whatever.
just how it's spelled, isn't it?
Exactly.
Not too difficult, but
James a smart bad boy. That's what he is. Right, anyway, but it's looking phenomenal. And Aaron likes the car and he's wanting to drive it. So make sure you let Aaron, your best mate, drive
Aaron,
this
you
car.
will not be driving this.
Oh, that's tight.